Alright, I'm going to pot up my pepper plants from the video where I started my seeds. Alright, I got the little pots. I'm going to fill them full of potting mix. Now that I got the soil on these, let's show you the plants. Here they are. They're growing really good. Let's get the lid off. There are a lot of really nice looking plants. There's some seeds that didn't ever sprout even. I'm going to take these out and then let that go for a while and see if any more pop up. Alright, let's get started. I have no idea what these are for. We're about to find out. Yeah, whatever. It's not really easy to do. Oh, look at that. That's got a good root ball. Go for this one since there's not that much soil. Take a little bit of soil. Stand it up. There's one plant. I'll put it right here. Push it in. There's another one. And get the last one. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Should have set up the tripod, but I didn't want to take that long. There it is. That's how to pot it. Then I take the tag and I put it in the nicest looking one. Black Scorpion. One important thing to do with peppers is when you up pot them, you go pretty much at the same depth. Maybe just a little bit deeper just to get a good coverage because the soil will actually go down a little bit. But if you go too high, you actually end up with the plant itself possibly getting strangled out by the dirt. Alright, let's see what this looks like with them all potted up. Water in my Carolina Reapers. And my other pepper plants. Got a whole bunch of different types right here. I have them certain ways so I know which way they go. The thing is I want to get them watered in, water them in and get the roots all nicely packed into the dirt. Let it soil back down. I'll probably put more on it. Alright, well if you like this video, like and subscribe, and have a good one. Bye.